Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be crocheting a mystery gift for my boyfriend. And by mystery gift, I mean like I know what I'm making, but you don't know what I'm making yet. And I want y'all to try to guess what I'm making, and then the time that you figured it out on the video. So like if you got to like 3 minutes and you knew what I was making, comment it down below. Yeah, and I know this would probably work better if it was like a live video, but maybe one day I'll do that. I don't know. I've also already started on this project a little bit. You can see here. And so, yeah, I guess I'm just gonna get into it. Also, don't mind my face because I will look kind of goofy. Okay, so I have like two things to add. First, this is kind of like a crochet with me video as well as a mystery, thingy. And then second, I will leave a link to what I'm making down below. Also, I forgot to mention that I literally just tried making this project that I'm doing again because the yarn was like too I'll just show y'all, but like just a little bit. This is all you get to see because I don't want to spoil it, but yeah. Also, don't mind the mess in the background, just like focus on crocheting stuff. So I just realized that I messed up this row that I'm on, so I'm gonna have to restart. But it's a good thing I didn't get like all the way done with this row before I realized. So yeah. Here is another angle of what I'm making. I tried to get like different angles so like y'all can really, start to guessing, I guess, or get to know what it is sooner. I don't know if this like helps at all, but you know. Okay, so I finished like one section of this mystery project and I just want to know if anybody knows what it is. I feel like nobody should know what it is exactly, but like some people might. It is very simple, so like you could know what it is. But yeah, I guess I could give you like a hint. Let's see. Hint number one. The thing I'm thinking about saying is kind of like, I don't know if it will give it away, you know? Let's see. I guess I'll just say it's something you can wear. There we go, that's perfect. Okay, so yeah, now I'm just gonna go to like the second part of this and crochet that. Okay, so I am on like, I just finished the second part and I feel like it's low-key kind of obvious by now, but like, you know, if you know it, put a comment down below saying what you think it is. If you don't know, you know, just keep on watching. And yeah, also, like, should I do a hint, another hint? I don't know what the hint would be though. I feel like if I say anything else, it will definitely give it away. So I'm not gonna give any more hints. Okay, so I just finished the project, the mystery project, mysterious project, should I say? Anyways, now is your final attempt to guess what it is before I show it. I didn't weave in any of the ends, but here we go. It's a bucket hat, kind of like flimsy though, but not as flimsy as the other one. Yeah, it's kind of big too. Like I don't know if this is supposed to be this big. I think I failed. Okay, maybe if I pull my hair back. Let's see here. Okay, my hair is pulled back. Oh, the strings are in my face. Okay, that's kind of cute, but kind of a little too flimsy, should I say. Yeah. So don't forget to comment where or like when in this video you like figured it out. This cute little bucket hat. Anyways, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you like videos like this, like I don't think I've seen anybody do like a crochet a mystery item with me, crochet a mystery project with me. If there has been people, I haven't seen it. Yeah, anyways, I think that's it for this video. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and